The born to race philosophy that's gone into this current machine is there for everybody to see. So our Fireblade SP here at Oulton Park, with the opportunity to run slick tyres on a road bike. A lot of the standard parts carried over from your SP to Superbike. Your main chassis, that carries over. Your engine, cases, crank, piston, rods, all carry over from your standard Fireblade SP.
Oulton Park, you want to turn in quite late, catch the apex late, fire the bike out. Staying out, choosing to go in. Superbike does that, and the SP does that. They're very, very, very similar. My Superbike pace here last year, which I finished fifth, was mid 35s, and that's drifted into the 36s. After we had 5 or 6 laps on the road bike, the last lap on the tyre, it was moving a little bit. We done a 39.0, 2.8 off what I'm doing on the last lap of the British Superbike race.
To achieve the lap time that Glenn has done here is absolutely mind-blowing.
From my experience today, it's blown my mind what a bike straight out of a showroom can do around the track, and it doesn't surprise me because I love this bike, but incredible.